The train has lost its colors. Can we bring them back? Yes, we can! Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, let's bring every color back. Color train, rolling down the track. Find the colors one by one and bring the rainbow back. Red and yellow, green and blue, orange, purple, choo choo choo. Clap your hands and call again. All aboard the color train. The train rolled into Apple Town, where red balloons were floating round. A red caboose was hiding there, behind a bright red rocking chair. Red apple, red rose, red little ladybug on my nose. Is the banana red? No! Is the apple red? Yes! We found red. Chug, 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 off we go. One bright color begins to glow. The train rolled under sunny skies, where yellow stars had sleepy eyes. A yellow duck wore a conductor's hat and said the next train leaves at quack. Yellow sunshine, yellow star, yellow taxi, yellow car. Is the strawberry yellow? No. Is the little duck yellow? Yes, we found yellow. Color train, rolling down the track. Find the colors one by one and bring the rainbow back. Red and yellow, what comes next? Look around and make your guess. Clap your hands and call again. All aboard the color train. The train rolled down beside the sea, where blue waves waved so happily. A great blue whale sprayed water high, whoosh, and made a rainbow in the sky. Blue ocean, blue boats, blue little fish that swim and float. Wave your arms from side to side, move like water with the tide. Is the ocean blue? Yes! We found blue. The train rolled through the jungle trees, past green vines dancing in the breeze. A little green frog jumped aboard and tried to pull the whistle cord. Toot toot! That is not your seat. Ribbit! Green leaf, green frog, green crocodile beside a log. Hop up high, then touch the ground. Find something green and point around. We found green. Red, clap your hands. Yellow, touch the sky. Blue, wave like water. Green, hop up high. Color train, rolling down the track. Four bright colors shine again, but two have not come back. Which colors are missing? Orange and purple. Next station, here we come. The train rolled into Pumpkin Place, where orange leaves began to race. An orange cat rolled one round fruit and sent it bouncing toward my boot. Boing! Orange pumpkin, orange kite, orange sunset glowing bright. Is the broccoli orange? No! Is the juicy orange orange? Yes! That one was easy. We found orange. The final carriage floated high, pulled by balloons into the sky. Purple balloons went up and away. Come back, we need you for the train. Stretch up high, stand on your toes. Catch the ribbon before it goes. One little pull, then two, then three. The purple carriage floated free. Purple grapes, purple plum, purple drum going rum-tum-tum. We found purple. Is the color train ready? Ready?